welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. Time it's a Mr. DIY haul video. Comment down below if you have visited Mr. DIY and how was your experience. Let's see what I got from there. So first thing is I got this giant fluffy unicorn kind, and it's so cute, so lovely, and I love its color. It's bright yellowish color and I love it. So next up I got a cap from Mr. DIY. I am obsessed with caps. I don't know why. I usually don't wear it, but I like to have a cap kind of section in my wardrobe. So yeah, it's one of them. Next up I got this face roller, or jade roller, I think that is the actual name for this thing, and I heard a lot about it, so I thought instead of spending so much amount in the actual jade roller, let's try with the maybe a lighter version. So I got it for rupees 150, and it has one big section and then a small section, so I'll use it. I'll definitely share the review with you. Next up I got a cute zipper, and I am a sucker for zippers. I don't know, every time when I saw a zipper I just jump for it. So yeah, I think it's my 6th or 7th zipper, I guess. I love zippers. It actually motivates me to drink more liquid. So yeah. Next up I have a soap case. Yeah, I got a soap case from Mr. DIY. So it's in bright yellow and grey color. I don't know, did I did most of the shopping in yellow? I don't know, but yeah, I liked it. So next up I got this kitchen towel. It's very satinish kind of structure and still soft material, and it is high absorbency, easy to clean, 2-piece towels. And I got a beautiful candle. It's a bubble shaped candle, and I love scented candle. I just die for it. So yeah, it's one more addition to the family. Then a set of 3 cute rabbit like structure pen. These are so cute. I'm going to definitely try it out, and I love cute stuff. I just love cute stuff. I can spend I don't know how much on. Just look at them, they are so cute. See? Then yeah, I got another set of pens. These are in shape of pineapples, and again cute. So Mr. DIY has a huge range of cute supplies, so if you are a sucker for cute things, do visit once over there. So yeah, this has 3 colors. One is light green, no, I think both are same. So 2 are of light green and then a yellow one. Yeah, again yellow. So then I got a scrapbook. So it has different color papers. As you know, I'm a mandala artist. I love making mandala, so I'm thinking to use it as a background for making different mandala on each section. So I'll definitely share videos on how I'm going to make a mandala on these papers. Then I got another set of cute pastel pink color kitchen towel, and this is also very much cute and also very helpful. So I got 2 set of these beauty sponge. So I haven't got it for the actual use which are they meant for, but I am going to use it as blending for my colors and also to add different color texture. I'll definitely show you what I am going to do with these with colors on my papers. So stay tuned for more such videos. And there is a box of tissue papers. The tissue papers were very cheap, so definitely a buyout in. And also one more very cute sky blue color soap case. So yeah, that's it. That's all what I got from Mr. DIY, and I hope you guys liked my haul, and do check out Mr. DIY and do check out my rest of the videos, and stay tuned for more such videos and content. Take care. Bye bye.